Hi everyone, today I have a hair oil video for you guys, and it's just going to be actually on this little oil mixture that I made myself, and it's something that I think will be really helpful if you have a dry scalp or you're in like a really cold climate. I live in Canada, and like even though it's April now and it's supposed to be spring, it still feels really cold where I live. So my scalp does get very dry in the winter, so I just wanted to share with you this little oil mixture I usually make in the winter. So this is equal parts of olive oil and castor oil with a little bit of rosemary oil and like a teaspoon of argan oil. So I'll talk about the benefits of each of these oils and what they can do for your hair. So olive oil is really good in the winter because it is kind of like a thicker oil, but it also is very moisturizing. You probably like have seen the consistency of olive oil. It is like thick when you apply it, but it's not like super viscous, if you know what I mean. Like it's very moisturizing. So it's a really good oil. It has a lot of I think vitamin E that's in it, so that's really good for your scalp in the winter when it's dry. So for castor oil has, I believe, ricinoleic acid, omega-6 and 9. Once again, that's very good for your overall scalp health, having those fatty acids. Sorry, my dog is barking. I can never film here. But anyways, that's what castor oil's benefit is for. You probably have heard of castor oil. It has a lot of benefits for even growing your eyelashes, your eyebrows, and that type of stuff. I mean, I did try them on my eyebrows and it worked like okay, but on my eyelashes I noticed a big difference. So castor oil definitely helps maintain the thickness and kind of help grow your hair. So that's why I love castor oil. The third one is argan oil. Now argan oil is like the richest oil that I have in my opinion, that has vitamin E in it. It has I believe has more vitamin E than in olive oil, so that's why I added a little teaspoon in there for an extra boost of vitamin E. Vitamin E once again really helps with your scalp, repairing I guess like little cuts or abrasions that you might have on your scalp. It can help with cell turnover as well, so that's why I added the argan oil. And the rosemary oil is amazing for circulation, so I added about 2 drops in there because I am sensitive to essential oils if I do add too much, because they are volatile organic compounds. You probably have heard dermatologists recommend against that, so do what you will with essential oils. If you know you are sensitive, be very careful with it. But for me, rosemary is okay as long as I add like no more than 2, and I find that it just makes the oil smell nicer. And I like to think that it helps with the circulation. So yeah, that was my little oil concoction for you guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.